1944 Husqvarna Swedish Mauser. It keeps on going and going and going. In 6.5 by 55. There's the original vernier style sights, I think they're called. But the guy I got it off of had the scope mounts installed. And so me having old eyes, I did that. I put a scope on it. But holy crap, is this thing heavy? I can't believe how heavy it is, but still have lots of room that I can feed rounds in here. I gotta wait for my dies to come in, and then I'll go and... Where did I put... Oh, there they are. And then I'll load those up. I got 140 grain SSTs for it, which is apparently the weight that this thing likes. And I got a couple different types of powder already, so I'll wait out on that stuff. We gotta wait for the dies. Once the dies come in, set.